Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update iOS without losing your data, full guide step by step clearly. To update your iOS without losing any data, start by backing up your device. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Scroll down and tap on your name at the top to access your Apple ID settings. Select iCloud from the options available. Tap on iCloud Backup. Ensure that iCloud Backup is turned on. Then, tap Backup Now to initiate a manual backup. Wait for the backup process to complete. Once your backup is finished, go back to the main settings menu. Next, scroll down and tap on General. Select Software Update to check for available iOS updates. Your device will search for updates. If one is available, you will see the option to download and install. Make sure your device is connected to Wi-Fi for the download. Tap Download and Install when prompted. If prompted, enter your passcode to proceed. Agree to any terms and conditions by tapping Agree. The update will begin downloading. This may take a few minutes. Once the download is complete, your device will prompt you to install the update. Tap Install Now to proceed with the installation. Your device will restart during the update process. After the installation is complete, your iOS will be updated. Check that all your data is intact by exploring your apps and settings. If everything is in order, you have successfully updated your iOS without losing any data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.